Introduction.
Okay, so the first burping video I posted 2 weeks ago got like almost 1,000 views. So this is, you guys asked for more videos. Don't mind my face. You guys asked for more videos, and so she's here with me, and us, the normal group, right here. And so we're gonna do another burping video because you guys asked. Okay, so oh my God, I can't turn. Oh wait, okay. So you're gonna have to be like. Oh wait. I don't know if I can tell your face like that. Do you see yourself?
Potato.
That is disgusting.
Potato.
YouTube.
Okay, why don't you drink some of this, and maybe I'll give you.
Sarah, try to do the loudest, longest one you can.
Alright, wait.
Why do you have to be so close?
I can't even. Alright, one more. I'm gonna try mine. How do you do that?
I just kind of
I can't do it. Okay, I hope you like it. Okay, bye.